Siyaxoxa.
Siyavana.
Ubongani Mzansi we-Eastern Cape Recyclers. Ndingunobhala ku-Eastern Cape Recyclers. Ndisuka eMthatha apho ndikhoyo. Eastern Cape Recyclers inantsika i-organization elwela amalungelo ama-waste pickers i-province yonke yase-Eastern Cape. Apha eSouth Africa sinama-organization amathathu, iSaupe kube yi-ARO, u-Eastern Cape ke Recyclers ungunumber 3. And yokuqala apha ke Eastern Cape kulwela ama-waste pickers. Ama-waste pickers i-challenge anawo ukuthi akabhadalwa underpaywa. Okwesibili akana PPE yokusebenza for ini ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathengise banxibe izinto like i-PPE. And then okwesithathu bane challenge ye-market for i-recycled material. So singu-Eastern Cape size ukuthi silungise lezo zinto ke ngoku sikwazi ukuthi sibafumanele i-market ukuthi bazothengisa kuphi. Sisebenzisana ke nama-PROs like o-Polyco, o-Petco, o-Plastic SA njalo njalo, Green Ambassadors, the glass company. So i-aim yethu singu-Eastern Cape Recyclers sifuna ukukhulisa i-economy yase-Eastern Cape. Njengoba senza i-recycling sifuna ukuthi siqale collecte i-recycling material, si-produce i-end product from i-recycling. So umnqono wethu ukuthi i-district ne-district my manufacture i-end product. Mhlambi sithi la eJogabi sithi there's something eyenziwe eJogabi kuthiwa made in Jogabi, made in Krisani, made in Mathole, made in OR Tambo njalo njalo. So injongo zethu singu-ECI. Enye into sikhuthazayo kafuthi sifuna ukufundisa abantu nge-separating at source, si-educate nomphakathi. Siyabulela, inkosi.